sorry. So I already told you the next subject I will start is algorithm. So here you can see design and analysis of algorithm, so DAA. So this is my favorite subject, okay, amongst all other subjects. DBMS is also my favorite subject. So this is my favorite subject, and I will tell you from when I started loving algorithm. So in 5th semester I was in IT, okay, information technology. In 5th semester we had algorithms. Before that semester, in 4th semester, I got the lowest marks, not in whole class obviously, but I was at the bottom of everything. So there were some personal reasons. Obviously people tend to generally deviate from their studies in this teens and 20s. So I was in teens, obviously, 19 years. So obviously I remember I got 7.46, okay. So I was very ashamed, and I'm a person, I can tolerate everything, but I cannot tolerate having a bad result, or this is my thing, okay. So it may sound very odd, or how nerd this person is, but I'm sorry, but I'm like this. So I was at the very bottom, and it was like IT dhamaka. People used to call it IT dhamaka. The first person got 9.87 or something like this, like Detol 9.99. So she's topper. She's topper of our IT. She's very genius. So that is a different thing. She's in SAP Labs now. She got the best offer in college in placements. But apart from that, everyone got very good marks. Just I didn't. I had some health issues and some other issues also. So that's why I got very low marks. And in that, when the result came out, I made sure that from next semester I will give my 100%. I will get good marks, because at that point of time we used to think that if we get more than 8.4 or 2 or something like that, only TCS will come and take us. This was our thing. I don't know, we used to think like this. So main thing was to get into TCS you have to get good marks, but that wasn't it. I think 6.7 or something was the criteria, or you have to just pass your have 65%. So that wasn't the real thing, but hence that didn't matter, because I started learning the subject. So I think first day it was of 5th semester, and I was determined I will get good marks. I will study very hard. I will do my own notes and everything I will do. So the first thing, we went to a new, obviously from 2nd year to 3rd year we went to a new class, and the teachers were changed obviously. So I saw a madam standing there. Even before we reached there, she was standing. So Natasha ma'am, so I owe my knowledge to her. She is the greatest teacher in our college. So she taught us algorithms. Okay, so on the very first day I have her copy right here somewhere. Yes, I still have her copy. Obviously I have all the copies, but I still study from this. So I will show you. This was the first day, and she taught us everything about algorithm, like what are all present in our course, everything. And then in one day she taught us time complexities also. Yes, all these pages in single day. And she not only taught us all this, but in very detailed way. So even she taught more than GATE syllabus, which are not even present in GATE. So backtracking is not present in GATE. I don't know, maybe this year they will change the syllabus, but it wasn't till last year. N-Queen's problem. Then other than that, then NP hard, NP complete, PNP problems. These are all not present in GATE. Okay, these are very hard topics. These are not present in GATE. Then KNP, string matching and everything. These are not present in GATE. This also she did in class. So I was the first thing, I was very determined. I will start my preparation of all the subjects. No, not GATE preparation. I didn't think of GATE preparation in my college days. I didn't. So I was determined. I will start taking the subjects seriously, and I will get a good marks. My only point was I will get good CGPA, right? CGPA, good marks. So this, then she taught us everything. She taking algorithm, doing questions, everything she taught us, from like, even it was 9:30 a.m. she used to come at 9, and she used to tell us that come at 9, so I will get more than 1.5 hours. So she was so determined. Everyone in our class wasn't obviously wasn't listening or something, but I became her favorite student. So people used to tease me like why I was going, and she's a college teacher. She wasn't my tuition teacher also. She was my college teacher, but she, like, personally, like a big sister, she helped me. And I will tell you one more incident, that before the day of exam, algorithm exam, semester exam, I sent her some questions or something in message, that ma'am, I am having this trouble in this question. She called me, okay, she called me, and she taught, told me everything why I am having this problem, and she was more tense than I was, that I may get wrong marks, or like matrix. I remember matrix chain multiplication. She told me that do very carefully, because see, in GATE we just do it shortcut way, but in semester you have to write it down everything. Okay, so it may get you wrong answer, but that's why it's very important to do it correctly. So ma'am was telling me it may come, and it did. So, and some other question I sent her, and she told me everything, any doubt I had, she clarified it. So who does that in college? I only face teachers who are like demotivating. In third semester, I remember I was sitting with my best friend and other friends. I did it was data structures first lab. So I did some wrong in this C programming. So the sir came to me and said, this program you did? I was like, yes sir, I did. You know nothing about programming, you won't do anything, you won't be able to learn anything in your programming. So like, just think it like this: you are starting your class, the first day teacher comes and demotivates you like this. It broke me, literally it broke me. But here in this ma'am, she is after having such experience from third semester, when I came to fifth semester, and she was like, I have no words to say. She was such an amazing person. I hope she sees this video. I will send her obviously. So this way I started learning algorithm. I started loving the subject obviously, and I should not brag, but I got O, means outstanding, in my whole class. It was 81 something class. I was the only one who got O, outstanding. Like 91 to 100 marks is the highest. I got O. We don't get the marks in our West Bengal board, so I got O. So I was literally, at the day I found the result, I called her in the morning only, and she picked up. She was so happy, more than happy, that I got this marks. And next semester she took DBMS, another of my favorite subject. In exactly same way the GATE people, the GATE aspirants should learn. Okay, so I used to take DBMS tuition. How I don't know. Before even knowing that she was going to take our DBMS class, I like everyone else, I also went to tuitions, and I didn't go to tuitions. So DBMS she taught us, but because of mass bunks and all, she couldn't finish it. But it wasn't her fault. She taught us exactly the way you should do in GATE. Like, if you have started DBMS, you will understand this: 1NF, 2NF, 3NF. So in GATE, if you are trying to find, if a question comes like this, that find this, it is 3NF or not. So you should not do 1NF, 2NF, then 3NF. There is a direct thing where you can find out if it is 3NF or not, just the same way she did in college only. See, in college we have to write everything in semester papers, but she taught us this also, the way you should actually learn. So because I know the other teacher, the tuition I used to take, he taught us all the wrong ways. So that's why I know, after taking Ravi sir's class, I came to know that whatever she taught was the exact way you should learn actually. So she, because of her, obviously I learned algorithm very in depth in college only. So when I was in TCS, I went to TCS Yantra Park, that is research and development lab. So these people are so courteous there, and I went for interview. I before that I didn't study for GATE. I had no knowledge even what if anyone asked me what is DLD, I wouldn't have known what this is a GATE subject or something. I had no idea there. So they were so courteous. They told me, and this was the same thing, like a whiteboard was there, and they gave me a marker and told me a problem, and you need to find an algorithm for that. So at that time I didn't know this was a GATE subject or GATE question, so I solved it. They were helping, I was solving it. So they were very good. Because of some internal issues I couldn't join, but it was GATE 202 question. I've already done in my videos. Obviously I have done it because it was, they asked me. So now you can understand, as Ravi sir says also, GATE preparation not only helps you in GATE but also in your interviews in research and development. TCS is different, and TCS R&D is better than that obviously. So there people are like scientists. The people who took my interview were scientists. So I will tell you that not only preparing GATE only helps you in GATE, but once you are in college, you are in placements, this will help also. I hope hopefully this will help, because I am not in college, I don't know, but I can, with the help of this experience, I can tell you this helps in preparation of your placements also, as Ravi sir said in his videos many times. So I won't make this video more long, so I just want to tell you I will start algorithm today only. And I hope this is my favorite subject, and I can deliver it in best way to honor my teacher Natasha ma'am. Obviously Ravi sir is my mentor, he is the god of CS everything, but Natasha ma'am, I owe my knowledge to her, at least for algorithm and DBMS algorithm mainly. I owe my knowledge to her. Because of her I started loving algorithm. Then onwards I prepared for GATE and everything is later, but the first stepping stone was her. She taught me, obviously others also, but I took her as a mentor. I used to go every day, even in projects. Still now I text her if I have something to ask her. So this is all about it. I will start with algorithm, time complexities. I will do it today, and hopefully I will complete it within few days at least, because it will take time, because algorithm is huge subject, it will take time, and I hope you love watching my videos.